So guys, today I reveal my 3-step routine for long and healthy hair. Firstly, I use Plum Hibiscus and Ceramide shampoo. This shampoo nourishes and strengthens your hair from roots to tip. Ingredients included in this shampoo is hibiscus extract, hibiscus oil and plant ceramide, which help promoting hair growth, conditions and hydrates hair, help prevent split ends. Gently lather up adequate quantity on wet hair and rinse and follow with gentle conditioner. Add some extra smoothness to your long locks with Plum Hibiscus and Ceramide long and healthy conditioner. This conditioner smoothens lengths, reduce split ends and damage, and this comes with the benefit of shea butter. Gently wring out excess water from wet shampooed hair. Take the required amount of conditioner in your palm and apply generously to hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Gently pat dry with towel and style as desired. So my third step is serum. Transform your hair with Plums, Hibiscus and Ceramide smoothing serum. Warm up 1 to 2 pumps of serum between palms. Apply evenly on towel dried damp hair strands. This serum smoothens lengths, reduce split ends and damage, and this comes with the benefits of jojoba oil and vitamin E, which helps smoothens, nourish and moisturize hair strands. After application of my 3-step hair care regime, as you can see, my hair is looking so flawless, smooth and shiny. So this hibiscus and ceramide range prevents split ends, hydrates and conditions hair, improves scalp health, strength and smooth hair strands. So I definitely recommend you all to give it a try to this Plum Hibiscus and Ceramide range. This range is 100% vegan with no harmful chemicals. By using my code, you can get some extra discount from Plum official website.